Hi, hello, welcome again and welcome back to Suchitra Vlogs and welcome again to hashtag Learn During Lockdown with Suchitra. And today's video, you've already gone through the title. Yes, we are going to discuss on how we can say no to anyone in any given situation pretty confidently. So, ధైర్యంగా నమ్మకంగా ఎలా మనము కాన్ఫిడెన్స్తో నో అన్నది అసర్టివ్గా చెప్పాలి అన్నది చూద్దాం. బికాస్ పొగరుగా చెప్పడం వేరు, అసర్షన్తో చెప్పడం వేరు. సో అసర్షన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ included in it. So let's see those statements, how we can say confidently no. Okay, let's get into the video. So very first thing, if someone offers you any offer, ఎవరైనా మీకు ఆఫర్ ఇచ్చి దాన్ని మీరు ఎట్లాగా రిజెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, how you can say or deny no to it. So simple అండి, for everything these will be the common statements. ఒక hardly 3 or 4 ఉంటాయి. So let's see them. So how will you deny an offer? For example, take this as a case study or a scenario. I am giving someone a job. You may not trust the person, first thing. Secondly, you may have a bad experience with the person. Third point, you may have heard bad things about the person. Or the fourth thing, you are happy with the current job or anything that you have and you don't want to accept the offer. How will you say no? You can't say simply by saying you are bad or you have all this negative talk on you. We can't say simply without seeing with our bare eye, isn't it? But you don't want to accept the offer. In that situation, say, wow, that sounds interesting. However, I'm happy with the current job that I have. Okay? I'm happy with what I have now. Well, this sounds interesting. Let me think and get back to you. However, at the moment, I'm comfortable with what I have. Okay? సో మళ్ళీ లెట్ మీ థింక్ అంటే మళ్ళీ అడుగుతారు కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఏం చెప్పచ్చు, ఐఎమ్ హ్యాపీ విత్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ నౌ, ఐఎమ్ కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ ద రోల్ ఐ యామ్ performing in the current organization. Okay, next way of saying, for say if someone wants to give you a gift, very expensive gift, but you don't want to take it from them. That looks lovely, that's great, but I don't think I deserve it. I don't think I deserve it. Cut it off by saying it straight on the face. చాలా బాగుంది, నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను అది తీసుకుని వాడుకునే అంత నాకు ఉంది అని. సో another way is, I appreciate the offer, but I'm happy with what I have now. ఇందాక చెప్పుకున్నట్టే. సో మీరు ఎట్లా చెప్పచ్చు అన్నది చెప్తున్నానంటే ఇక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్ తగ్గట్టు మీరు సెంటెన్స్ ఫిల్ చేసుకోండి. I appreciate with what I have. I am happy with what I am doing. Wow, that's really nice. Sounds interesting. I would love to accept it. However, this is the reason I am not, accepting your offer. Please do not mind me saying no. ఇది ఇంకొక విధానం. Please don't mind me saying no, because ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు రీజన్ చెప్పాలి, అవతల వాళ్ళు ఇంకా మిమ్మల్ని ప్రెషరైజ్ చేయకూడదు. కాబట్టి give them the appropriate reason. Okay, రేపొద్దున మళ్ళీ సుచిత్ర నువ్వు చెప్పినట్టే చెప్పాము బట్ మమ్మల్ని ఇంకా అడుగుతున్నారు ఆఫర్ కానీ ఇన్విటేషన్ కానీ అని అంటే మీరు రీజన్ కూడా స్ట్రెస్ చేసి చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ సమ్మన్ ఇన్వైట్స్ యూ ఫర్ అ పార్టీ ఆర్ అ పబ్ ఆర్ ఫర్ అ లంచ్ ఆర్ అ డిన్నర్ ఆర్ అ డేట్, మీకు ఇష్టం లేదు వెళ్ళడం, హౌ విల్ యూ సే దట్? వావ్, I would love to attend, however I have my sister's wedding on that particular day. ఎవరైనా మీ ఫ్రెండ్ పెళ్లికో దేనికో పిలిచినప్పుడు మీరు వెళ్ళలేకపోతే ఇట్లా చెప్పొచ్చు. మీకు ఇష్టం లేదు సినిమాకి కానీ పబ్కి కానీ వెళ్ళడం, హౌ వుడ్ యూ సే నో? వెల్, it's really nice it's really nice. However, I have to accompany my mother to the hospital this weekend. అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు ర్యాండమ్ గా వచ్చింది చెప్తున్నాను. I wish I could come. However, I have to go to the airport to pick up my brother. Okay? Or else you can even say I would love to come, but I have some work assigned by my manager this evening. ఎవరైనా లంచ్ కలా పిలిస్తే. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ways you can say no. Then what's the other way you could, what is the other case that would, gives you a sort of situation where you want to say no is requests. Okay, for example, someone is requesting you to sit in their car. Okay, they want you to give you this would fall under offer. So if someone wants to give you a lift, how would you say no? We've already learned I would love to, however my office cab is there behind you. Simple as it is. Okay, if someone is asking you a help, మీకు చేయలేరు, నన్ను ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎవరైనా కొంచెం మీ ఛానల్లో ప్రమోట్ చేస్తారా అన్నప్పుడు నాకు చేయాలని ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్ నాకు ఏం చెప్తుంది, నీకే దిక్కులేదు, నువ్వు ఎవరిని ప్రమోట్ చేస్తావు అన్ని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి? నో, ఐ వుడ్ రియలీ లవ్ టు హెల్ప్ యూ, హౌఎవర్ దిస్ ఇస్ మై సిచ్యువేషన్, సో ఇఫ్ యూ స్టిల్ వాంట్ మీ టు డూ ఇట్, ఐఎమ్ రియలీ సారీ, దిస్ వోంట్ వర్క్. Okay, for example, as a YouTuber, I would get lot of collaboration requests from XYZ companies or these third parties, wherein they would not even show their faces or any sort of what you call proofs that they belong to this particular thing. How will I understand and go ahead with the thing? I can't simply accept the collaborations, right? They would request and also offer me. However, I will simply say no by saying the situation here. I'm not a great YouTuber, dude. This won't work with us. So, unfortunately, this is not the correct time to do it. This is how I say. Unfortunately, my situation doesn't help. This is how I would say. And the last way I say is I wish I could help you, but not at this moment. ఇప్పుడు కాదు, ప్రస్తుతం అయితే నేనేమి చేయలేను. So what are the three scenarios that you might come across? Someone asking you a help, that is requesting you, someone giving you the help, offering you, someone inviting you for any party or some sort of invitation. So for everything, the common statements that you are supposed to use, I would love to, I wish I could, unfortunately. The entire thing sounds great, however this is the situation, this is not the right time, I'm sorry, I am occupied this weekend, I'm afraid to say I am not in a accepting mood. Simple. if you keep it clear, no one can force you to do what you don't want to do. So keep saying no assertively with lot of confidence going forward, and don't fear for anyone or anything. Just do what your heart says and proceed and reach the highest pinnacle of your careers. Okay, may success leads or generates a beautiful and happy life to every one of you. All the best, and keep watching this space for more interesting videos. As I ever say, hope my tutorials are helping you. Keep learning and keep watching, and do encourage me by your kind words, and definitely all your comments mean a lot to me, and I appreciate the people who are writing down the comments and giving me suggestions. Actually, this particular video was not exactly requested, but someone asked me in a comment, how can we, say politely no. So that's how this idea has made me come up with this video. Thank you once again for watching. Keep loving and keep encouraging, and do hit like, share, comment and subscribe if you're watching for the first time, and don't forget to tap the bell icon for further notifications, and do say no politely.